What is up, you guys? My name is BaQuairi and I am back with another video. If you want to know how I got this look, then stay tuned and keep on watching. As always, don't forget to comment, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Okay, so starting out, I'm going to take the NYX Eyeshadow Base-White and I'm just going to pack that right on my lid. Next, I'm going to take the Too Faced Chocolate Bar Palette in the color Semi-Sweet, and I'm going to put that right in my crease and blend it out. From the same palette, I'm going to take the color White Chocolate and apply that to my brow bone and give it a little highlight. Now I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Tan Tan, and I'm just going to lightly cut my crease. Taking the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette, I'm going to use that bright yellow color and pack that right on my lid. As you can see, my concealer went up a little bit, but I just took the blender brush and blended that right on out. Alright, here I have the NYX Liquid Crystal Liner in silver, and I'm just going to apply that right in the crease. I'm going right back into the Chocolate Bar palette and taking the same color Semi-Sweet and dragging that along the bottom lash line. Now I'm taking my Wet n Wild H2O Proof Liquid Eyeliner in black, and I'm going to make a winged eyeliner on the top. Alright, using my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, I'm just going to coat my top and bottom lashes with that, and I'm not going to even put on falsies today, just go to the natural look. Using my Wet n Wild Brown lip liner, I'm just going to line my lips, and then on top of that, I'm going to use MAC's Velvet Teddy, and then I'm just going to place that right on my lips as well, and then I'm just going to blend it. Alright, you guys, that is the end. I hope you enjoyed, and until next time, thank you.